Hello my Kandor crafters, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be kind of reviewing and showing you how I hoop with my magnetic hoop for my brother PE800 embroidery machine. This shirt I'm making for my niece for her birthday, and I'm using two different methods on hooping. So for the first method, I'm using sticky stabilizer. I just adhere it to the back of the hoop. As you can notice, I did put some dots on the centers because they definitely don't have any arrows or anything to let you know that it's centered. So for $80, I feel like they could have definitely added that in there, but I definitely overall do like this hoop so far. This hoop is a 5x7 and it comes with 6 magnets. As always, I will put everything that I use in this video in the description box, and I will also pin it in the comments for you guys. I messed up the first shirt that I did, so I'm taking my sweet time, making sure that everything is centered and perfect. Folding and ironing is like the best way to get your center, and I just put the pin to let me know where the top of the hoop should start. Once I finally get the alignment right, I just pop the magnets on all 4 corners and one in the middle. I don't put one in the middle of the bottom because it's thinner and I don't want anything hitting against anything and messing anything up, if that makes sense. But these magnets are strong, okay? Like, they're really sturdy. They are not your typical refrigerator magnets, okay? One of the best things about the magnetic hoop is it's so much thinner than your standard hoop. So it's so much easier to get your material underneath your machine without, having to worry about snagging or anything because it's so thin. And it fits perfectly and snug and perfectly into the brother machine. Especially for a project like this where I have to continuously take the hoop out of the machine and do stuff, like, it just made my life so much easier. Okay, so for the second method, I'm just going to adhere the tearaway stabilizer with some basting spray and then just attach the shirt to the hoop. Honestly, I probably could have did this same thing with the sticky stabilizer, but I just wanted to see if there really was a difference. But there wasn't. They both got the job done. So I believe for future projects, I'm going to just go ahead and adhere the stabilizer straight to the shirt and then just hoop the shirt like that. Because believe you me, if I could figure out a simpler way to do something that's still effective, that's the route I'm going. For those of you who may not know, basting spray is a temporary adhesive, and it's magical in my opinion. Another pro for the magnetic hoop, it was easy to do multi-hooping. I'm adding my niece's name up next, so it was good that I didn't have to worry about the top design fitting in the hoop and messing it up or creasing it or anything like that. I literally was able to re-hoop, put it in the machine and have no problems. As you can see, the second method worked just as well as the first method. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this shirt. If you like this shirt, I actually have a video on how, I made it if you want to check it out. As far as the hoop goes, I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. I took off 0.5 because they could definitely add the center lines. I did add them myself, but for $80, like I said, they definitely could have added the center lines. You can get this off of Amazon. I do suggest getting the ones with six magnets and not 4, just to make sure your project, like I said, the magnets are strong, but I need at least 5 to 6. 4 will be okay, but you can never be too careful with these things. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Like I said, everything will be linked in the comments and the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, my Kandor crafters.